This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel.
What's up? Today I want to show you a very important hack if you're a digital marketer and you're tired of sending things to your phone so that you can post on Instagram. Today I am going to show you, or even if you're not a digital marketer, by the way, today I am going to show you how to post on Instagram from your laptop, from your PC, because it is quite annoying that you can only do this from your phone. But there's a hack, guys. There is a hack and I'm showing you today. So before we begin, please like this video, subscribe and share it if you care. So let's get started. Now, to do this hack, to be able to post from your computer, as you can see, I'm already logged into the profile. I'm gonna use Njambiz tutorials today to show you this. So once you're logged into your profile on the computer, go to these three dots right here, these little three dots at the top right corner of your Chrome. Then go to more tools. Then you want to go to developer tools. Now you can see it's downsized my screen, for lack of a better word. Now make sure, for you to do this, make sure you're right here. You can see this little icon right here is set on mobile. So that's the PC, that's the mobile. Just click on it and it will change. And then right here you see you'll see a drop down, initially written responsive. You can select a device. This is now tricking Instagram to think that you're viewing from your phone. So you can select a device. Not all the devices are here obviously, but you can select one that closely resembles the one you use. So for mine is an Android, so I'll pick the Galaxy. And then once you do that, as you can see, it's showing you Instagram on mobile view, but the post button isn't there because that takes a minute to refresh. So just refresh the page after you do that. There we go. And you can see now it has the options to upload. So I'll go and click on this and upload something. So from my downloads, I'll select an image. I had already prepared one for this. Then go to next, write my caption and whatever hashtags you want to have, blah blah blah. As you can see, it's already even suggesting. And then you can go ahead and share. And there you go. You have posted from your computer to your Instagram. That's my Njambiz tutorials page. This was created for tutorial purposes, so this is perfect for this. So there we go. I have my first post. If you found the video informative, if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment below, let me know if there are any other hacks you want to learn, any digital marketing, business or branding tutorial you'd like to see. Let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a very big thumbs up. I cannot emphasize enough, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know that it was helpful. Let me know that you learned something. Let me know that you just enjoyed it. And as always, if you haven't, subscribe my people. It's free of charge. I will be giving you digital marketing, branding and business tutorials every single week together with my regular videos. So subscribe for this and more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.